Hello everyone, this question appears in class 6 NCERT chapter of playing with numbers. This is second question of its exercise 3.3. So the question says that using divisibility test determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 4 and 8. So for divisibility rule of 4 is last two digit is divisible by 4 and divisibility rule of 8 last three digit is divisible by 8. So divisible by 4 and divisible by 8 for part A. So 72. So it is divisible by 4. So yes. And 572 it's not divisible by 8. B. 52 is divisible by 8 and divisible by 4. So yes. And 352 is not divisible by 8. It's also divisible by 8. So 8 4s are 32 and 8 4s are 32. So it's divisible by 8. C. 00 it's divisible by 4 but 500 is not divisible by 8. D. 00 is divisible by 4 and 000 is also divisible by 8. E. 59 is not divisible by 4 and 159 is also not divisible by 8. 60 is divisible by 4 and 560 is divisible by 8. 84 is divisible by 4 and 084 is not divisible by 8. 72 is divisible by 4 and 072 is also divisible by 8. 00 is divisible by 4 and 700 is not divisible by 8. J. 50 is not divisible by 4 and 150 is not divisible by 8. So that's your final answer. Thank you.